Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Discover Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Discover Bank, visit the Discover Bank website or open the Discover mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Here, you'll find various resources to help set your budget. Begin by selecting the option to create a new budget. Input your monthly income from all sources. Next, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Estimate your spending in each category based on past expenses. Make sure to account for both fixed and variable expenses. After entering your expenses, click on the Review or Submit button. The budgeting tool will provide insights into your financial habits. You may also receive personalized tips for better budgeting. Monitor your budget regularly by checking the app or website. Adjust your spending categories as needed. Set saving goals to help you stay focused. Utilize alerts and reminders for upcoming bills. Take advantage of any available resources, such as articles or videos on budgeting. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with Discover Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.